In 2025, new policies are making deportation a reality for more people than ever. Both ICE and USCIS are playing a bigger role in enforcement and immigration decisions, which means even pending applications or minor status issues could put you at risk. Hello, everyone. I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website at passage.law to set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. Since early 2025, there have been big changes in how immigration laws are enforced. The Department of Homeland Security has rolled out new policies that affect many immigrants, including those with pending applications or who have fallen out of status. Here's a quick look at how things used to work. USCIS handled applications for benefits like green cards and citizenship, while ICE focused on enforcement. But recent changes have blurred those lines. Under the current Trump administration, enforcement has become much more aggressive. In the past, deportation mainly targeted immigrants with criminal convictions. Now, nearly all undocumented immigrants can be considered priorities for removal, even those with pending green card or citizenship applications. We've seen ICE making arrests in everyday places, courthouses, workplaces, even outside people's homes. For example, a woman in New York was arrested after leaving a traffic court hearing. She had no criminal record, but was still taken into custody. In Texas, a green card holder was detained outside her home simply because her paperwork was pending. Situations like these show just how unpredictable that enforcement has become. Now, it helps to understand how the system works. USCIS handles applications for benefits like green cards, citizenship, asylum, and work permits. ICE handles arrests and deportations. CBP manages entry and exits at the border. For years, USCIS was mostly seen as the benefits side. That meant if your application was denied, you usually weren't sent straight into deportation. But since early 2025, USCIS officers have been directed to issue far more notices to appear, or NTAs. That's the official document that starts deportation proceedings. If your application is denied and you don't have legal status, USCIS is now expected to send you to court by default. There are reports that officers are even tracked on how many NTAs they issue, which leaves very little room for discretion. An NTA will list the government's claims against you, like when you enter the US, visa expiration, or why they want to remove you. It also gives the date and location of your first court hearing, called a master calendar hearing. That's where you can admit or deny the allegations and present defenses such as asylum or adjustment of status. Now, I'm going to walk you through practical steps that you can take to protect yourself step by step so you know exactly what to do if your status or application puts you in a vulnerable position. If you file for immigration benefits while out of status, keep all your documents showing that you qualify. Respond quickly to USCIS requests and talk to a lawyer if your application is denied. If you lost legal status while waiting for a decision, track your case carefully. Explore ways to restore or change your status, and don't leave the US without legal advice. If you entered on the visa waiver program, be extra careful not to overstay. Keep all your entry records and check with a lawyer before applying for any immigration benefits. If you entered without inspection, get legal guidance as soon as possible. See if you qualify for waivers or humanitarian relief, and avoid activities that could draw ICE attention. If you're a permanent resident or applying for citizenship, keep your green card or naturalization documents current. Update USCIS with your address. And if you receive an NTA, or notice of intent to deny, contact a lawyer immediately. If you need help with your case, call or text us at 503-427-8243. or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, share this video because information is power. Comment below if you've faced ICE encounters or have any questions. We read every comment and can guide you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Knowing how the system works is the key to protecting yourself and your family. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.